fun A to Z baby.
A is for ammeter, A ammeter. B is for Bunsen burner, B Bunsen burner. C is for conical flask, C conical flask. D is for dynamometer, D dynamometer. E is for electroscope, E electroscope. F is for Florence flask, F Florence flask. G is for Geiger counter, G Geiger counter. H is for hydrometer, H hydrometer. I is for incubator, I incubator. J is for Joulemeter, J Joulemeter. K is for Kelvin thermometer, K Kelvin thermometer. L is for litmus paper, L litmus paper. M is for microscope, M microscope. N is for nebulizer, N nebulizer. O is for oscilloscope, O oscilloscope. P is for pipette, P pipette. Q is for quartz spectrometer, Q quartz spectrometer. R is for refractometer, R refractometer. S is for stopwatch, S stopwatch. T is for test tube, T test tube. U is for UV light, UV light. V is for voltmeter, V voltmeter. W is for